Welcome back to infyGyan, friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging system of equations. We have three equations: x square plus y square equal to z square, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 47, and third equation is z minus x times z minus y equal to 2. So let's get started by writing equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now I will begin with equation 3. Let's expand equation 3. So z times z square minus yz minus xz plus xy equal to 2. Let us consider equation 2 now. So 2 I will write in appropriate order: xy plus yz plus zx or xz equal to 47. Let's add both the equations. Once we will add, these two terms will be over. So what would be left? Z square plus 2xy equal to 49. From here we can consider z square is equal to 49 minus 2xy. Now this value of z square I will substitute in equation 1. So let me write here, substitute in 1. So it will become, here I will put z square. So equation will become x square plus y square is equal to 49 minus 2xy. Take minus 2xy to the left. So it will become x plus y whole square equal to 49. Perfect square it is, which is 7 whole square. Once I will take a square root, I will write x plus y equal to plus minus 7. Done. Now this x plus y equal to plus minus 7, I will substitute in equation number 2 in this equation. See how it is. Equation number 2, let me write here itself: xy plus yz plus zx equal to 47. Now from here I will take z common. So xy plus z times x plus y equal to 47. Now once I will substitute x plus y equal to plus minus 7, it is not going to solve. So what I need to put over here, xy place, that value will be, I will calculate from here. So value z square plus 2xy equal to 49. So xy value will be 49 minus z square over 2. So here this value I will substitute, and second x plus y equal to plus minus 7 here. So let us put 49 minus z square over 2 plus z times plus minus 7 equal to 47. Once I will simplify this equation, then it will come out z square minus plus, or plus minus both are same, plus minus 14z plus 45 equal to 0. Now one quadratic equation is known. I will calculate z value first. So let's find out, let's solve this. I will write our quadratic equation again: z square plus minus 14z plus 45 equal to 0. Let's apply Sridharacharya formula. Z is equal to minus b. So minus plus b is 14 plus minus under the root b square 196 minus 4ac, so 180, divided by 2, so 2, a is 1. So minus plus, if I will write plus minus, it won't make any change. Plus minus, this is 16, square root 16 is 4 over 2. So I will frame 14 plus 4 over 2, 4 values. Then I will consider 14 minus 4 over 2. Then negative 14 plus 4 over 2. Negative 14 minus 4 over 2. So if you will simplify, 14 plus 4, 18 over 2, 9. 14 minus 4, 10 over 2, 5. Minus 14 plus 4, So minus 10 over 2, minus 5. And minus 14, minus 4, minus 18 over 2, minus 9. So we have calculated 4 values of z. So correspondingly, we will calculate 4 values of x. Let us find out, let us see. Now I will consider xy. So we know that xy was 49 minus z square over 2. So simply by putting the value of z over here, we will calculate the xy value. Let us find out. So I will write z was 9, 5, negative 5, negative 9. Now I will find out xy. This was relation between xy and z square. Now I will substitute 9, 5, minus 5 and minus 9. Z square is involved. So plus minus 5 doesn't make any difference. So I will consider 49 minus 5 square over 2. That would be one value. And 49 minus 81 over 2. 9 square. So if you will calculate 12, this value is 12. And second value you will get minus 16. So conclusion is x plus y was plus minus 7. Now we have calculated xy 12 and minus 16. So let me frame 4 system of equations. X plus y equal to 7, xy equal to 12. One system of equation. Second system of equation with same result, same value, x plus y is equal to minus 7, xy equal to 12. Now xy 12 is done. Third system of equation, x plus y equal to 7. Now xy minus 16. And fourth system of equation, x plus y is equal to negative 7 and xy is equal to minus 16. Now we have to solve all 4 system of equation to find out our complete solution set. So let me consider the very first. So what I will do, same way, I will consider y from the second equation 12 over x and then I will substitute over here. So let us see what will happen. X square plus 12 over x equal to 7. X square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. If you will use quadratic formula or factorization method, you will get two solutions. Let me write here. X is equal to 3, 4. Once x is 3, see what is the relation between x and y? X and y addition is 7. So once x is 3, let me write here. X is equal to 3 and 4. Then y will be equal to 4 and 3. How it is? Addition x of y is 7. So that part is done. Only concern is z value. So z value will be plus 5. You can check by putting this value x and y in equation number 2 here. Once I will put xy, so let me consider this set 3 and 4. So xy, I will let me write here xy plus yz plus zx equal to 47. So 12 plus 4z plus 3z equal to 47. 7z is equal to 35. Z is equal to 5. So we have calculated two set of solutions, final solutions, that is 3, 4, 5 and 4, 3, 5. From first system of equation, we calculated two values. Now let us consider second system of equation. X plus y is equal to negative 7 and xy is equal to 12. Let me write negative 7 and xy is equal to 12. From here we will write y is equal to 12 over x. Let's put over there in equation 1. So I will get x plus 12 over x is equal to negative 7. X square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Now you can find out factorization, you can go through, or you can write directly x is equal to minus 3 and minus 4. See, this time addition is minus 7. Remember this thing, this equation. So y will be equal to minus 7 minus x. So you will write here minus 4. If x is minus 4, then y will be minus 3. Same way, I will write equation over there, xy plus yz, equation number 2, plus zx equal to 47. You can put over there this value. You will get your z negative 5. See, xy is 12, yz is minus 3z, minus 4z, minus 3z equal to 47. So minus 7z is equal to 35, z is equal to negative 5. So we have got now again two system of equation solution. Means this system of equation, let me write here x, y and z. See, here it is. xy is here. Let me write minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And second, this set minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. Overall, we have calculated 4 solutions so far. Now, system of equation number 3. Let me write that third equation. X plus y is equal to 7. Xy is equal to, this time, negative 16. So I will consider y is equal to minus 16 over x, and then we have to substitute in 1. So equation will become, this equation I can write x minus, this time minus 16 over x is equal to 7, x square minus 7x minus 16 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We have to apply Sridharacharya formula. Minus b, so 7 plus minus under the root b square 49 4ac with negative sign plus 64 divided by 2. Now this is 7 plus minus square root 113 over 2. So nothing will happen to this solution, to this x value, because square root 113 is as it is, it would be. Now I will consider x plus y is 7 in this case. Now let's find y. If it is plus, then y would be minus plus square root 113 over 2. Okay. Now let's write, and if you will simplify using that method, z will come out 9. So if I will write our solution set, then x would be equal to 7 plus minus square root 113 over 2. This is x value. Then y will be 7 minus plus square root 113 over 2, and z is 9. How many values are there? 2 values. You will read like plus and plus for both. Okay. So this would be plus and minus one solution, minus and this bottom plus is one solution. So again, two solutions we have calculated. Now last system of equation, that is x plus y equal to minus 7 and xy is equal to minus 16. Similar way we will write y is equal to minus 16 over x. So what simplification we will get? After simplifying both equations, you will get quadratic equation x square plus 7x minus 16 equal to 0. After applying Sridharacharya formula, we will write minus 7 plus minus square root 113 over 2. So only difference is this time minus 7 is written. So if it is minus 7, then y will be minus 7 minus plus square root 113 over 2. So again, two solution will be generated, and once you will solve this, z will be equal to negative 9. So let me write both the solutions. So that value will be x, y, z equal to, I will write minus 7 plus minus square root 113 over 2, comma, means once it is plus, then we have to write here minus plus square root 113 over 2, and last z value is minus 9. So how many solution sets are there? 8 solutions are there overall. 2 solutions from each of the system of equation, 8 solutions overall. I hope this video will be somewhere meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.